Let's create another file called employee.ts. In this file, let's try to create a class, like class, and let's call this class person again. Oh, TypeScript shows an error. What's the error? It says person was also declared here. We declared person class in sample.ts. So the person is duplicated identifier. So this means we can't create a duplicate identifier. So what can we do? We could use a different name, but what if we want to use the same name? If we still need to use the same name, we can wrap our code in a namespace. So the solution is using namespace. Namespace like new, like persons, person. And now there is no error. So we created namespace and we wrap our code inside the namespace. So we can create our class same name with the class we created in other file. We could also wrap our related code in this file sample.ts in another namespace. So we could select everything and we wrap it in new namespace and it would solve naming conflicts. This is how to use namespaces to wrap related code and avoid naming conflicts. Now let's say I need to use some code from other files. For example, in this file, employee.ts, I want to use something from sample.ts. For example, I want to use employee class and create another object like employee 3, for example. Let's try to create not employee 2, employee 3. Still, it doesn't show any error. Let's try to change the name like Mike 27 false sport. I say coding developer like this. And the ID make it 3. Okay, let's try to compile and see if it works or not. tsc employee.ts error. 2 errors. The one error is employee and another is status. Why? Because in this code it doesn't understand what it means employee and status. Employee and status, we declare them here. Status and employee. To do this, we need to export them, so we can import them in our new code, new file. So we need to export them. So just add export keyword in front of each one. Export. We export employee class and we export status. Then we need to import them here. So import, we want to import employee and also import status, right? From same directory and the file name sample.ts without ts. Now let's try. Let's try to console this. Console.log employee tree. It will print everything in object employee tree. So let's try to compile. Success. And let's run. That works now. No error. So by using export and import, we can make code available to other files or share code between projects. So this is how we use export and import between projects, between codes. And we use namespace if we want to wrap our code to avoid naming conflicts.